That doesn't sound quite right. I'm gonna do some digging. Are you sure that's what it says? Why don't you do some digging to confirm? Hey friend, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethlyn. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the expression, do some digging. In the first example, I said, I'm gonna do some digging. In the second example, I said, why don't you do some digging and confirm? Now, we do digging. When you think about when we dig, we go deeper into something, right? So let's say the situation is, I'm looking at a report and the information on the report doesn't add up. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't match what it should be. Like maybe the timeline is off or there's some information that's missing. Just something doesn't seem right. So I will say to someone, why don't you do some digging to confirm that this is really true, that this report is accurate? So when we do some digging, we investigate. We find out whether or not something is true, or we just learn more about it so that we can uncover the truth. This can be used in an office setting where your boss will say, I want you to do some digging about that company, digging on that company. So I want you to find out more. I want you to investigate that company. So I will do some digging. We will do some digging. Why don't you do some digging? Or I have done some digging. We have done some digging. They have done some digging. So you'll see that we use this in the perfect tense. We can use it in the past tense. We can also use it in the present tense. I did some digging and found out that this is wrong. I did some digging and found out that they were lying. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button. If this video was useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe and check out our store at rapidenglishfluency.com. Bye.